Hi everyone, welcome to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest, fastest air fryer tofu. In this one, I'm going to be putting hoisin sauce on it, but you can put any sauce that you want on this. It's just such a great base. So I'm going to start with one block of extra firm tofu that has been drained and pressed. If you want to improve the texture even more, you can freeze and then thaw your tofu, which adds a lot to the texture and it helps to absorb any marinades. So I've got my 10 equal slices there. I am just going to throw those into a large mixing bowl. And then to make our tofu crispy, the secret ingredient is cornstarch. So I'm going to sprinkle that with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then to give them a nice little bit of flavor, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. That's how easy this is. Like, I don't even put any oil. I put 2 tablespoons, sorry, of soy sauce, but I don't put any oil or anything. You don't even need it. So I am going to shake this around in the bowl, and I'm just going to make sure that everything is evenly coated. I just want to make sure the cornstarch is evenly coated on those. And look at that. That's perfect. It's ready to go. Now I'm going to put them in the air fryer. So I'm just going to evenly spread those out over my little air fryer, grill, basket, whatever you have. Going to place that back into the air fryer, and I'm going to cook these for about 8 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, depending on your air fryer. So I'm going to throw those in, cook them at 390 degrees for 4 minutes. Then I'm going to check on them and flip them halfway. Now, if you don't want to use an air fryer, you don't have an air fryer, you can easily pan fry these for about 3-4 minutes per side in a pan with a little bit of oil. So that's an option as well for just a fast and easy version of this tofu, which goes great with any sauce. So I'm going to pull them out there. You can see those are beautifully crisped. That's exactly how I want them. I didn't make a homemade sauce, but if you want, I will link my homemade teriyaki sauce, which is super delicious, on these as well. So I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of sauce. In this case, I'm using a pre-purchased hoisin sauce because I just needed something really fast and I did not have a sauce made ahead. So I put a 1/4 cup of sauce on there. I put the lid back on. I'm going to toss those around really gently and carefully this time. And I'm just going to make sure that they are nice and evenly coated in that hoisin sauce. And look at that. I sprinkled with little sesame seeds. You could put some green onions on here. I actually ended up cutting these into nice little slices to put on this beautiful Thai peanut rainbow bowl. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe below.